Hey guys, so we have a floor lamp here. As you can see, you can use this as a side table, for the living room, just to have a little extra space to put your stuff and also to charge things and to have a little lamp on it. So let's set this up and see what it looks like.
All right, we just finished it. Looks beautiful. I like that it has an extra power cord connection here, two USBs, main power, and on top of that, they give you a remote control. And the lamp, look at the lamp. It's beautiful. And this place is dark in here. Without it, it will be completely dark. But the lamp stands pretty high above the actual couches, so it's going to be right above your head, whoever sits here. The light bulb itself is replaceable. They have different tones on the light bulb. All right, on the tones, for example, you can do K. It changes pretty much different K tones. All right, the control has 1 hour on. Brightness, you can control the brightness. Different features, templates. All right, you have computer mode, you have baby, and then you have reading, and then you have night. Night, it just dims it down. You guys can see that. Beautiful, outstanding. You can put it in your living room, your bedside, perfect side table. Another great thing about this lamp, you guys can see that you can put your remote control because it has a magnet and never lose the remote up. You put your books, your remote controls in this place, your alarm clocks, pretty much anything you want. It was very simple to put together. It has 2 tiers and it stands very high.